In this video, we will show how to consult the distribution area of a particular species. After having selected one species following the steps explained in the video Finding Information on a Particular Species 1, a screen with all the information on that species will appear. The first tab opened by default is the distribution map of the species. It is an applet UCA. Each circle represents a UTM square where the species has been cited. Unfilled circles represent non-verified citations. We can amplify the map with the tool in the right side. If we click on thematic layers, we can select the different layers that we want to see in the map, such as rivers, borders, capitals, or land uses, amongst others. We can also download web map service layers. We can choose the source of the information on which the map is based. This source can be field observations, herbarium sheets, a known source, or all kinds of sources. We can also choose if we only want to see the species distribution area or the number of citations in this area. If we click on citations, a number of squares will replace the circles. Each square has a different shade of gray according to the number of citations. We can see the legend in the bottom. If we click on distribution, circles will appear again. The tab symbols allows us to modify the circle's characteristics, either for the verified locations or the non-verified ones. Thus, we can change their color, shape, transparency, and even choose if we want them unfilled or filled. If we click on the tab Data, a list with the verified and non-verified UTM coordinates will appear. When clicking on a specific coordinate, the corresponding circle will be highlighted in the map. If we click on it, we will obtain a list of the specific locations for that UTM. Finally, if we click on the tab Gmaps, a Google map will appear. It contains the UTM squares where the species has been cited. The biggest squares represent areas of 10 per 10 kilometers, whereas the small ones represent 1 per 1. We can zoom in and out using the tool in the left.